Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create leaf building design in Photoshop. Let's get it started. First, I have this artboard of 1920 by 1080 size. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select the leaf image and click on Place. And adjust its size and position. Right-click on the layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select the image and place. Link of these PNG images is mentioned in the description. And adjust its size, and place it in the center of leaf. Right-click on it and choose Rasterize Layer. Go to the eyedropper tool, select the green color. Press Alt plus Shift plus Backspace to apply the foreground color. Then select the leaf layer. Go to the Rectangle Marquee tool and create a rectangle. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus J. Bring these leaf layers on the top of the building layer. Select the upper part, right-click on it and choose the clipping mask. Select the building layer, press Ctrl plus T and adjust its size. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.